How to fix Google account sign-in problem. If you find it difficult to sign in your Google account, in today's video I'm going to be guiding you on how to fix that problem. If it's the first time if you're coming across this channel, please do to subscribe to this channel. Let's dive right into the video. The first step you need to take in order for you to fix this problem, you need to go to your phone setting. On your phone setting, you need to open up your app list, or for some app you are going to see apps. So here is the app on my device. Then the second step you need to take is you need to scroll down gently and look for Google services. You can still go ahead and search for it. Google services. Google Play services here. Now go ahead and tap on it and clear the cache of the Google Play services. Then you need to go back as well and click on Google Play Store. Here is my Google Play Store. Tap on it, storage and clear cache, and also clear the cache of it. Then the step you need to take now is you need to go to your Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, go to Apple Store and search for Google services. Here I'm going to be updating my Google services. If yours is not up to date as well, you can still go ahead and update yours. So here I'm going to be updating my Google service. So that is it in order for you to fix this problem. If you find this video helpful, because I'll come to the very end of this video, please also subscribe to this channel. Tell me in the comment section if you find anything difficult on this video. I won't say to give you guys feedback. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in the next one.